Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 6 minus 6 divide 3 multiply 2. Okay, most people see this question and they are making a mistake in this question. They are solved this question like 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. Now 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So according to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority. Okay. And last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. Okay. So we have to solve it from left to right. Is equal to, so in this question, one subtraction, one division and one multiplication. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so therefore we have to solve it from left to right. So first priority is multiplication and division and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so 6 minus 6 divided 3 is equal to 2. Multiply 2. Okay, is equal to 6 minus 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. Now 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So the correct answer is 2. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.